Today, we are going to learn something fun with fruits. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's practice addition. Addition is about putting things together to find out how many you have in total. Let's say you have 1 apple and your friend gives you 2 more apples. When you put those apples together, how many apples do you have in total? There are 3 apples. Let's practice addition. We have 2 apples plus 2 apples. The answer is 4 apples. 2 apples plus 1 apple. The answer is 3 apples. 4 apples plus 4 apples. The answer is 8 apples. 1 apple plus 1 apple. The answer is 2 apples. 3 apples plus 4 apples. The answer is 7 apples. 3 apples plus 3 apples. The answer is 6 apples. 5 apples plus 4 apples. The answer is 9 apples. 3 apples plus 2 apples. The answer is 5 apples. 3 apples plus 0 apples. The answer is 3 apples. Now, let's see some more examples. Look carefully and get ready to count. We have 1 apple and 4 apples. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1 plus 4 equals 5. We have 2 oranges and 2 oranges. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. We have 2 balls and 4 balls. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now we have lemons. 2 lemons plus 5 lemons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 2 watermelons and 1 watermelon. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. So, 2 plus 1 equals 3. We have 4 peaches and 2 peaches. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 4 plus 2 equals 6. We have 9 bananas and 0 banana. Let's count them together. So, 9 plus 0 equals 9. We have 3 pears and 6 pears. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 5 coconuts and 5 coconuts. Let's count them together. So, 5 plus 5 equals 10. We have 6 capsicum and 1 capsicum. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 brinjals and 3 brinjals. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 plus 3 equals 6. We have 6 dragon fruits and 2 dragon fruits. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 4 mangoes and 3 mangoes. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 4 plus 3 equals 7. You did a great job today. Keep practicing addition. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MiniMindsShine for more fun learning videos.